Okay, so we are in deep discussion. What is called energy science? Energy science means how if you change the slab of energy, universe is nothing but there are contours of energy. What is contour? There are contour of energy. If you see the universe, okay, I have cut it down like this. If it is visible, I have cut it down like this. Consider I am cutting it like this. This is a kind of a paraboloid, and consider I cut like this. I cut like this. Then if I draw on the 2D paper, then there will be a contour. Okay, this circle will be small, circle will be big, circle will be big, circle will be big, then small like that. There will be many contours will come if I draw on 2D paper, two-dimensional paper. If I draw it, whatever the circle of this, it will come a contour. Universe is nothing but it is energy level. Makes sense? This is nothing but it is energy level, different energy level. Okay, this is like something like this. Someone can see there are rings I have drawn. There are rings here. This is the inner ring, higher ring, higher ring, higher ring like this. If I consider higher ring has less energy and inner ring has more energy, in which ring you are living your life? In which ring you are living your life? That is the concept. More you go far, you are at less energy, and more you come inside, then you are at higher energy. Okay. Now, everyone, if I see walking on the road, everyone is living in one particular ring. Ring number zero, ring number one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, like that, and it goes till infinity. Unfortunately, it goes till infinity. In which ring you are living? The concept is going on. A person who is taking bath in bathroom or he is taking bath in shower, he never catch fever. He never catch fever. But same person, if he is taking shower in the rain, he catch fever. Then analogy is being given that the rainwater, if we see the rainwater, then rainwater had acid in it, carbonic acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Because when rain comes in, it comes in contact of air, and with air, it makes a chemical reaction. Or cloud itself, when cloud is moving, their water vapors are formed, and since they touch the air, which is completely a polluted air, then it forms acid. When rain falls in, since acid is there, we catch fever. But that is not true. If you ask anyone, same rainwater you store in a bucket, and ask anyone, this is a groundwater. Don't tell him that this is a rainwater. This is a groundwater. Impossible to identify. Ask him to take the bath. He will not catch cold. He will not catch cold. Okay, now take that person to any island like Lakshadweep or these islands, where it is far from the mainland. At that island, there is no pollution at all. These islands, there is no industry, and it is thousands of kilometers away from the mainland. Air is completely clean, and there is no case of carbon dioxide. Only oxygen and nitrogen will be there because forests are there, and they will liberate oxygen only. Nothing is there. When rain falls there, and that person is taking bath in the rain, he will catch fever there only. If all of a sudden someone is walking thousands of kilometers away from the mainland, in some island in the sea, around the sea, there is a forest, and fully oxygen and nitrogen in the air, and that person is walking there. So all of a sudden, rain comes and he is getting wet. Before he'll go to some home or house out there, he's wet for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or something like that. Next day morning, he may catch fever. Okay, even though water does not have any acid in it. Why? Okay, we have given this concept is it is difference in energy level. Okay, when you take rain in the water, when you take bath in the rain, you are coming to God's arena. God arena means there are cloud and there are lightning going on, and there is a shower, and then it's very big. It's very big, and then there wind that is blowing, and trees are doing like this, and then that is very high energy is flowing at that moment. If you come into that and then you take bath, your brain start to adjust into that energy. Make sense? If you're walking and suddenly you start getting rain in your body, and then you are walking, then your brain will try to adjust to that energy level under which it is raining. That energy level is very high. If your energy level is also very high, luckily, I don't know, there is no luck, you lived a life in a manner that your energy level is very high. It is that high that there is no much difference between your energy level and the energy level of the complete reigning system of the God. Then you will not catch the cold. Otherwise, it will be something like that. From ring number 1000, you're trying to jump to ring number 100, ring number 50. Your brain will try to come to that energy level. It will jump the ring. If ring jump is more in number, then you will catch cold. Why you will catch cold? Because every body has toxicity in it that is called oxidants, oxidant or negative energy, oxidant. When body or brain starts to go in a higher energy level, oxidant opposes it. It will try to pull you, not going up. It is something like that. Consider that you are in a friendship circle and all friends are bad. You are drinking and then you are gambling. This is your friend circle. Somehow. Then in one of the person in friend circle, now he is trying to improve now. He's trying to take a job and he's studying and he's going for some coaching. All of a sudden, that came in his mind. He saw someone, and then what other friends will do, they will try to become like him, or they will pull him down. They will pull him down. Where are you going? We are enjoying our this life. No, 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 this life is not good. I'm going for, so now that person is trying to go in higher energy, and these people, they will pull him down. Similarly, if a person has a high toxicity in his body, okay, then his energy level will be low, that is for sure. Now, if his brain out of the sudden, if he is getting wet in the rain, all of the sudden his brain is coming to the rain. His brain is coming to the it will try to go up in the ring, go at the towards the center of the ring. Means he will try to gain more energy. Then the toxicity in his body, it will try to stop that person. And then what will be the end result? The toxicity will become active. Toxicity, there is not all toxicity in body, they will be active. They are in dormant state, sleeping state, inactive state in the body. But if you rise in your energy, they will start becoming active because they have to stop it. When toxicity will go beyond a level, you will catch disease because it will heat your body. You will get fever. Means toxicity, when they will become active, then they will heat your body. They will heat your mind. After all, mind is also organ one. I'm not saying this. King Chris talks in Gita. Mind is also one in it. He talking about Ashtachakre Navadware. Ashtachakre Navadware. 9 gates are there in the body, and one of them, mind is also one of them. 9 indriya. So brain is also an organ only. Means everyone will get heated. He is angry on you. Means you cannot go up. So it will start getting heated. If you try to, brain will try to go up in the energy. If you take bath for little longer, you will get fever there only. What, coming back to the home or whatsoever, you will get fever there only. But if you take bath in the bathroom, then you will not get fever. Little bit long also, if you take bath, you will not get fever. Because it's not that you are accustomed of it. It is because that energy level in the bathroom is less. Okay, someone will say, I don't want to take bath in the bucket. I will take bath in the shower. Shower means I have to fit water tank on the roof of my house, water tank, and water will come through a pipe, and then there will be a shower, and I have to take bath. You are increasing your energy level because water system with the tank and shower, that if you put your head inside to take the bath, you are bringing your head to that energy level that is higher than you are keeping one bucket and taking the bath. So that's why people spend money, because that energy level is higher. Okay, that's why people they try to imitate someone when they are seeing something, then they try to copy that because the energy level is higher. Everyone wants higher energy level. This is the human nature. Okay, that's why people tend to go from bucket. Oh, still you're taking bath from bucket. I have set a shower in my house now, and that means you are attached to bigger energy level, more high. But if you talk about natural shower that is outside, the energy level is very big, maybe thousands and thousand times higher than what you have set up at your home. Their lightning is also there, wind is there, okay, the rain is there, big arena is covered, so that is very big. That's why people catch fever. I have more data on it. Okay, what is more data on it? I have given two examples for this. Okay, three examples for it. Consider there is a protest going on. Protest going on against something. There is a community, and community, there is a particular community, and they are completely opposing the government's move. There is a big addressing is going on. Lot of people have gathered there, and lot of people have gathered there, and there are leaders who are giving speeches that we have to fight against it. We cannot tolerate this. Now you are going passing nearby. You are passing nearby. You're just standing and you are seeing it. Slowly your mind is coming to that coming to that hypnotism, I would say. Then you think he is saying very all right. Let me go to the dais and let me also talk nonsense about the government or whatsoever. Then you are running toward the dais to address the people. Okay, means you are trying to, your body is trying, your mind now it is trying to go inside the energy level that is being maintained by the those people. You're trying to enter into it. If that is higher than you, then you may get fever or you may get heart attack. If it is very high, there can be a chance. I'm not saying like there can be a chance where your energy level is higher than full drama. Possible. But if it is very less, much lesser than that full drama that is going on, where millions of people are standing and addressing is going on, mass addressing of the gathering is going on, and your energy level is very less, and you're trying to go and mix with the leader, and you will also give a speech, your body will try to come to that energy level, and then many people they die also. On the dais also, many people get heart attack. Anyway, second example we gave that in Uttar Pradesh, in a state in India, in 2021-22 arena, December January time frame, there was a panchayat election, and in panchayat election, many teachers were given duty over there to conduct the election, fair election. Means they will be sitting in the room. One person is coming, then they will say, "Show me your voter ID card." If you show voter ID card, they will see one book and they will tick mark. Okay, this person has come. Okay, then they will ask you go and vote. Then in EVM, if you vote, then they will put one ink mark. This is called election duty. So someone will say it is very easy, but is that easy? It is far easy than teaching a student. Far easy. Can someone believe that it is difficult than any illiterate person can also do? What he has to recognize few letters only, A, B, C, D. Okay, what is your voter ID card? This name is there. He will search name. He can read only for 10, 12 days. He will start understand recognizing the letters. Okay, this is your name or photo. Tick mark. Okay, go to next table. Next table, one person is sitting. Okay, he will do something. Next person, he will say you go and vote. If you vote, then you have to go somewhere. Then that person will put ink in you, or there only I will put ink on in your name, and then you can go out. This is far simple job than you are teaching mathematics or whatsoever to the student. Can someone believe this? In three-phase election happened. This is the documented data. Anyone can read in newspaper. Three phases election happened and 1,300 teachers died. 1,304 teachers died during the election only, electionary only, when they were putting nail mark, or when they were making tick mark, their only heart attack came and they died. Okay, like that. With there only, at the spot only 1,300, 400 teachers died. What happened? Teachers, the election, if we see the full election, you are under now the energy of electioneering system. Like if someone is going in the rain, he is under the reigning system of the God. Somebody is entering into the election room and he is conducting. He is not a watcher. He is among the conducting people. His brain will try to come to that energy level, and that energy level is much higher than teacher department, education department, or whatever. Means election department energy level is much higher than the teacher is. That's why teacher is going every day to teach, whereas election happens every 5 days. That energy level is very high during the election time. Police forces, many things will be roaming around, paramilitary forces. That energy level is very high at the time of voting. His brain is trying to come to that energy level, and then he is dying. Another example that we will give is corona. So many people that died of the corona in India, more than 1 crore people, 10 million people. This is I won't say illegal data. This is undocumented data. More than 1 crore people, 90% of Indians, they got affected through coronavirus. 90%. Can someone believe this? 90% of Indians, they got through coronavirus. Okay. If I see there is a country called Tajikistan, north of Afghanistan, there is a country called Tajikistan. Till I was watching it, till the second wave or third wave, not even a single case came in Tajikistan. Though there were cases in Afghanistan. Okay, then virus is not going through air to the Tajikistan. Not even a single case. I'm not talking about death. Not even a single case came in Afghanistan, in Tajikistan. Okay, but there was a flood of cases in India. This proves that coronavirus has nothing to do with air and infection. It will come through air, noise. If it is coming through air, it is spreading through air. Then Afghanistan near was Tajikistan. Not even a single case came in Tajikistan. If you see the continent-wise data, then maximum case came in India and United States. Maximum case. United case, written case is maximum, but in India, the government out here, the way they hide the data. Otherwise, undocumented data say 90% of Indians they got affected through coronavirus. More than 1 crore people they died of the coronavirus. More than 1 crore people in first wave. In second wave itself, 1 crore people had died in one wave. Anyway, maximum people died in the United States of America, Europe, many people died. United States of America, Canada, India, Australia. See the wherever electronics. It started with China. It started from China. Wherever electronic industry or software industry are at large, people died maximum. I would rather, if I pinpoint more, wherever social media is high. Is it coronavirus is the boom of social media? Certainly. 4G LTE is a new internet technology came in India, and it made internet extremely cheap, affordable by anyone. Even a small child, even a 16-year-old child can also maintain a mobile with 4G LTE, extremely high speed internet at very very low price that started in 2016-17 time frame. Okay, and after that, Corel. So this 4G LTE technology it is spread across the world instantly because high speed internet at zero price. Okay, and then it resulted in corona that got spread instantly around the world. Instantly. Every country had corona at same time. It is not possible. Any epidemic is confined to a particular geography, not to everywhere in the world. Okay, it was less and more. It was less in the country where the social media was not very famous. Okay, electronics was not famous like Africa, South America. These were, it was not very famous, but mainly Africa or Central Asian countries like Tajikistan, where it is, these are desert country and it is not very famous. It is very famous in India, China, United States, Canada, European Union, and death happened there maximum only. What's going on? If I see social media, YouTube, Facebook, or whatsoever, otherwise I'm living my life watching television or listening to radio, reading newspaper. That's it. All of a sudden, when I see Facebook, oh, I can put my photograph out there. I can see anyone's photograph. I can comment out there. You are trying. Your brain is trying to come to a Facebook energy level. Otherwise, you are at energy level of watching television. Watching television and giving program in television are two different things. But anyone who is watching Facebook, he is creating account there also. He is not only watching, rather he is placing photo. Everyone is getting involved in social media. Everyone. Okay, means everyone is not only watcher. He is trying to come. If you are you a participant or you are observer? Everyone became participant one. Everyone is making YouTube video. Everyone is enjoying the social media. Now your brain is trying to come to that level, and that level was full world level. You can watch any video that is uploaded in Southern America, that is uploaded in Canada, that is uploaded in Germany, that is uploaded in that is uploaded in Brazil, from India. Now everyone is watching everyone. Means all of sudden, when the people they do not have mobile in their hand, all of sudden everyone had mobile with internet, with social media and everything. Everyone is watching everyone, and people started enjoying. So the social media energy level was very high, because billion, if 10 billion is the population of the world, billions of people, I would rather say, they started participating in the social media. So people who were watching social media, or people who were uploading video in social media, so people who were participating in social media, their brain tried to come to higher energy level. They only died maximum. In India, people who were more active on social media, they died more than people who were watching social media. I watch YouTube video, but I don't upload the video. I upload the video. There is difference between these two. I upload video in Hindi only. I upload video in Maghi only. That is my mother tongue, Maghi. Means the people who are adjoining the Magad region of Bihar, so they can only watch it. Or people here who can understand Maghi, means the energy level to which my brain is rising to upload Maghi video is less. Gap is less. I am uploading video in Hindi, means anyone India, northern India, the people they understand. I'm uploading video in English, means all around the globe, means energy level is different. Now, as per the energy level, people try to go up. The disease was more. Many people I had seen in France somewhere. There is a scooter that is parked in front of hospital, and person is dying there one. Miss at the home, he has started feeling congestion in his chest. Immediately, he took the scooter and he ran toward hospital. And then when he reached the hospital, he parked his scooter. There only he died. Can someone believe that in this speed corona infection can happen? Not possible. Miss all of a sudden his brain tried to come to energy level in very quick time. I don't know what was his misfortune, what video he was uploading, what he was doing. And then the energy level changed, d energy by dt. Energy changed by dt. That was very high, sharp. Differentiation was sharp. And then that was the result. If dE by dt change in energy level per unit time is less, this person will be less serious in the corona. This is called changes. So someone would say corona was a gimmick of social media. Yes, corona was nothing but it was a gimmick of social media only. That's it. Since social media came new, whoever was involved more in it, he died first one. Poor people died, and they died from these advanced country only. In poor country only Indians that died, and because internet is cheap, any poor Indian can afford it. So everyone has Chinese mobile in their hand that cost 3,000, 4,000 rupees only. And then 100 rupees you will get 1 month internet, 100 rupees 1 month internet. Everyone was enjoying YouTube and Facebook, every Twitter, and farmers are also enjoying and farmers are also dying. In Uttar Pradesh, villages, lot of people died in villages. All are enjoying Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. Every farmer knows about Instagram and WhatsApp. Okay, more you know, more you die. So concept is that should I stop using social media? You understand it first. That what is your energy level and to what extent you should use. I have some data that I'll read it through. Okay, in Uttar Pradesh 2021-22 election, 1,621 teachers died in Panchayat election in three phases. 1,621. Can someone believe it? The teacher is going for election for the electioneering to conduct the election, and then he is making a tick mark on paper, and suddenly he is getting heart attack. Making a tick mark is far easy than teaching mathematics in the class. I am 100% sure about it. But for years he is teaching mathematics in the class, no problem. But he is going to election room and there he is making a tick mark and he is dying there. 1,621 teachers died there. Let's take about the corona. The maximum in documented manner. I'm not talking about undocumented. Documented manner. Maximum corona case came in United States of America. 103 million people got affected through corona. 333 is the population of United States. Every one person is 3%. This is documented data. Undocumented will be very high from this. Every one person among 3% got affected through corona in America, where the kind of the exposure to the social media and internet and electronic technology is maximum. Okay, and death happened 1.14 billion. Which I would say, if I take active case and death, if I take a death, then just see that 1 in 100, more or less, I can say, 1 in 100 died in United States of America. 1 in 100. It is around 1 in 300. I can say 1 in 100. 1 in 100. In 1 million, if I say, then it will come at 10,000. 10,000. 10,000 people, every million people died in United States of America. Okay, if I take India, then 90% of people got affected through corona because jumping on social media is maximum in India only. But government data is different. Okay, 90% people, India population at that time would be 140 crore. Only 14 crore people they did not get corona. Otherwise, all get the corona. More than 1 crore people died. Same thing as every 1 in 100 died in India. Died 1 in 100. After immunization, more died. Much more than 1 crore people died in India. Means in 1 million, 10,000 people died in India also. These are the two countries where exposure is. One is electronics, very advanced country, and one is poor, but things become cheaper all of a sudden. All of a sudden, 4G LTE came, and all of a sudden, internet became cheaper. Everyone started enjoying. Okay, if I see North America, then country like USA, Mexico, and Canada. So they got maximum coronavirus, and these are the most advanced countries. North America, there are many countries. El Salvador, Guatemala, and those are not that forward countries. Who are the most forward in North America? They are the most who got the coronavirus. America, Canada, and Mexico. If I talk about South America, then Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, and Peru. These are the most advanced country in Southern America. So Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, Chile, and Peru. In Brazil, 37 people got 37 billion. Brazil, 37 billion people got corona. 37 billion people. Means around 4 crore people got corona out of 25 crore population is there. Can we see much less than America? America, every one person in 3% got corona. Here, for every 4% out of 25% got corona. It is much less than United States, much less. Means it less advanced country, less exposure to the social media and electronic system. They are getting less corona. Okay, we'll talk about Africa. In Africa, which country are the most advanced country? then South America, South Africa, Morocco, Tunisia, Egypt, and Libya. These are the most advanced countries. Either it is South Africa, all the countries who are along the Europe, all the countries who are along the Europe, they have maximum exposure to the electronics industry. Or South Africa. The South Africa whites are there, Europeans are there. Means people who are touching Europe, they have the maximum problem. See the country name, South Africa. That is the where the white people are there, European people are there. Or Morocco, Morocco is touching Europe. Then Tunisia, Tunisia is touching Europe. Then Egypt, Egypt is touching Europe. Then Libya, Libya is touching Europe. Makes sense? Okay, in South Africa, 4 mil, 4 million case, I believe, came of 6.4 crore is population. In 40 people got 40 lakhs people, 4.6.4 crore, 640 million population, 4 million people got affected. It's still very less because European population is very less. Otherwise, Negroid people are there, African people are there. So still it is very less, very less. Okay, if I talk about Morocco, then 380 million is the population, out of which 1 million got the corona. That's it. In United States, out of 330 million population, 101 million got coronavirus. 103 million. 1 in 3. But in this country, 1 in 100, 1 in 1000 are getting coronavirus in Africa. Very less. Still very less. And whoever got coronavirus in Africa, they are in vicinity of Europe only. Can someone believe on this data? Okay, Europe, no need to talk about it. Europe, UK, Russia, France, Italy, these are the most leading countries in the Europe. United Kingdom, Russia, France, and Italy. United Kingdom got 340 million coronavirus. 3 240 million. Okay, 240 million. I believe United Kingdom population would be, I believe, 600 million. Half of the people got coronavirus in United Kingdom. Half. Whereas in Africa, it is 1 in 1000 or 1 is something like that. Vast difference is there between Africa and Europe. Okay. And then in death, 2,614 people died in Europe, in United Kingdom per million. Per million, 2,614. In India, 10,000. In United States, 10,000, more or less. Okay, if I talk about death in South Africa, then 100,000 people died in South Africa. 100,000 people in 6.4 crore. How much it will be? 100,000, 100,000 means 0.1 million people died. 0.1 million. Okay, and if I talk in million, 640 by point 0.1. Okay, one person died in 6,000 or 7,000 or something like that. Much less than United Kingdom, 2,614 deaths per million. Very high. Anyway, Asia, all data are fake in Asia. Asia is a fake, looks like it is a fake data continent. Asia, China, 99 people got affected. 1.22 lakhs people. Means 120 people, 122,000 people lost their life. India, 45 million people they got affected of corona. 4.5 crore people. Undocumented is more than 120 crore people they caught the corona. Even 1% data they are giving, or 2%, that's it. This much fake data is from Indian government. And people died is 5.33 lakhs people. 530,000 people died in India. Undocumented is more than 1 crore people died in India. 1 crore is more than 10, around 1.125 million people died in India. And not even 1 million they are showing on the book, the government is like, how someone will believe on this kind of government? Just think about it. Anyway, but the country who got maximum corona in Asia, if I talk about the country name, then it is China. You know what is the level of electronics there? India, I gave the reason. South Korea, people know. South Korea, how much it is advanced in the electronics and software. Japan, people know. Means these countries selectively who are advanced in electronic system, means they are very high in social media and whatsoever. They only caught the corona. China, India, South Korea, Japan. Minimum countries are like Tajikistan. At the end, Tajikistan people also got the corona. 17K, 17,000 people they got the corona. And 124 people died there. That's it. Okay, this is called amazing data. Amazing data. Then Australia, where the proximity is there to catch the corona because people are European people. 11 million people caught the corona, and New Zealand 2.8 million people caught the corona. If I talk Australia and New Zealand, more or less white people are there, and same level of advancement is there as far as social media and electronics is concerned. And same percentage of people they caught corona in Australia and New Zealand. In Australia, 11 million people caught the corona out of 25 million people population. In New Zealand, 2.6 million people caught the corona out of 5.3 million population. Same is there. Death in Australia, 19,000 around 19,265 people died there. In 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 New Zealand, 3,944 people died out there. Around five times less. That is the population difference also. Is it not the amazing? This is called energy level science. Energy level science means we don't jump into higher energy level immediately. This is what the idea is. Okay, the advanced country like New Zealand, Australia, China, South Korea, Japan, full Europe, and then Canada, Mexico, and then United States, Peru, and this kind of country. Still, Peru it was less. Who are advanced country, G7 nation and advanced country, their exposure to the internet, internet, and then social media was maximum, and they caught maximum corona. Only poor country India was there, and you know what is it? When it was so cheap, then every and China is nearby. They had cheap Chinese mobile in their hand, and then cheap internet. Everyone had internet in their hand. Everyone was running Facebook and Twitter. Farmers are also they have WhatsApp, and they died. Okay, so concept is that don't use social media. This is what I would not say that don't use social media, but be careful.